Hello everyone. Today we'll see the health education. By the name health education, we can understand it is the health is about the physical, complete physical, mental and social well-being. So according to the WHO has given the one definition. According to WHO, we can say the health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely absence of disease or infirmity. Yes, the education is a process, the chief goal of which is to bring about the changes in human behavior. Every individual has access to a type of education that permit maximum development of his potential and capabilities. Health education is not simply given information or instructions or health matters to patient or a people at large. It is much more than that. Like a general education, it is a process of communication of information on health and disease of individuals, family, group and communities to learn and adopt to the lifestyle that promotes health. According to the WHO, health education is like a general education which concerned with the changes in knowledge of people in its most usual form. It concentrates on developing such practices as are believed to bring the best possible state of well-being. Health education is the part of the healthcare that is concerned with the promoting health behavior. Historically, health education has been committed to disseminating information and change human behavior. In the Alma Ata Declaration adopted in 1978, the emphasis has shifted from prevention of disease to promotion of a health lifestyle. The modification of individuals' behavior to modification of a social environment in which an individual's life. Community participation to community involvement. Promotion of individuals and a community self-reliance. Then comes the Alma Ata Declaration. Alma Ata Declaration is emphasized the need for individuals and a community participations and give a new meeting direction to the practice of a health education. The definition is just like that, a process of aimed at encouraging people to want to be healthy, to know how to stay healthy, to do what they can individually and collectively to maintain health and to seek help when needed. It means it is the process of a aimed and encouraging people to want to be healthy. People would like to be healthy, that's why this process is happening. To know more, stay healthy, also to do what they can individually and collectively to maintain their health, to seek when they need it. It means when they need to become a healthy, when they need to become a good health, preventing diseases, so that people need it to adapt these definitions. That means the process of encouraging people want to be healthy. The definitions reveals following important components also. Information, information that is relevant, interesting, simple and understandable. Patient, the individual, family, group, people, what they think, feel, do their value system, radiations, uh, readiness, readiness to learn and bring in desired changes in their lifestyle and environment. That means people is already ready to change their lifestyle. They are ready to want to become a good or healthy. Then comes the social environment and social culture. An economic supports barrier which may promote or inhibit behavior changes or a health promotion. The Health education concerns the content about health and disease favorable and non-favorable lifestyle, environment, proper use of resources and healthcare facilities. Communication method means for dissemination of and receiving information that can help in understanding motivation and bringing in desired changes for a healthy living. Now comes the aims of a health education. If there is a health education, there should be a aim. So aim is like that. That in 1969, WHO has adopted this, and the Alma Ata Declaration adopted in 1978 provide a useful basis of formulating the aims and objectives of the health education. These are like that. To help the people understand and health is the most valuable community assets and to help them achieve optimum health by their own activities and effort. To develop a sense of responsibility for improving their health as individuals, members of the families and communities. To develop scientific knowledge, attitude, skill on health matters, to enable people to develop correct habits, to educate people for proper use of health services in whatever form it is made to available to them by the government, to alter behavior that may directly or indirectly influence the occurrence or spread of diseases in a given setting. Culturally relevant health education program can be planned only after understanding the behavior in all in its manifestation. To promote the greater possible fulfillment of the inherited power of body and the mind and happy adjustment of an individual in society. To provide a person with the appropriate knowledge to enjoy decent health and also knowledge about the occurrence and spread of disease, thus enabling him to adopt relevant preventing measures, to create in him an interest in his own health and well-being, to create in him an interest for the health of others members of his family as well as those living in these surroundings, to create in him a desire to support health education program in this area. So I think you got the point, the aims of health education. Now comes the objectives of health education. That is, main objectives are here to inform the people or disseminate scientific knowledge about the prevention, diseases and promotion of the health. That means we have to inform the people about the knowledge of prevention of disease and their promotion of a health. To motivate people to change their habit and lifestyle that are harmful to their health and also motivate people to adopt habit and ways of living conducting to the healthy living. To guide the people who need help to adopt and maintain healthy practices in lifestyle by showing proper community resources. So these was the objectives of the health education. So we have seen the health education, Alma Ata Declaration, aims of health education and objectives of the health education. Still there is a topics about the health education. So we will see in a next video. If you like this video, like and share it, and if in your family, if anyone wants to get the admission in T.S. Mishra College of Nursing, tell him to come and join with us. This T.S. Mishra family is very good and the healthy environments they will get it. The variety of teachers are here. They will teach you good things and according to their knowledge they will help you to adapt their studies. Or this is near to the Amasul railway station, and this is going to be now coming days, this is going to be T.S. Mishra University. Okay, bye bye.